So this is another reason why I hate leaving a dog chained up. Because if the dog gets loose, breaks free, and is still dragging his chain, he can get tangled up in other areas. I've been on multiple calls where the dog has jumped the fence and actually gotten hung by the chain it was tied up with. So please, if you think before you think about getting a dog, make sure you have a secure fenced-in backyard or yard period. If you're gonna leave the dog outside, and if you're gonna have it inside the home, then you shouldn't even have to worry about this. But just please look after your animals, because something like this could happen.
What are you barking at? You barking at me? What's the matter with you? I see you. You got your chain stuck. It's okay. We're gonna take care of you. Oh, that didn't work. I'm a terrible throw. Look, there you go. There you go. What do you think about that? There you are. I see you. You doing good. I remember you. Oh, give you a treat and you okay? Give you a treat and you okay, ain't you? You sure are, aren't you? Good boy. Alright, give me 1 second. Let me get you another treat. A little nervous. But you okay? You want another one? You want another one? There you go. What's the matter with you? Huh? What's the matter with you? It's okay. See? That's all this is. See, it's just a little loop. That's all it is. See? Ain't nothing to be scared of. What you doing over here? Huh? Huh? What you doing over here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You done got chained up. You got chained up. Oh, good boy. Here, let's get this off of you, okay? Oh my goodness. There you go. Oh, look at that. You just a mess. Come here. Come here. You healthy? Good girl. There you go. There you go. How you doing? How you doing? What's up? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Huh? Well, you got a collar on. You okay? Yeah, you okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'd be mad too. Yeah, you ain't getting out of that. Let's see. We got tangled up. All around this. All around this. This dog went through a lot. That chain goes there. Don't really like leaving chains around, because then people just get the chain and then go, hey, now I can chain my dog up. I like to try to get these off the street. Just being on a chain is no place for a dog. If you want them outside, get you a nice fenced-in backyard. 'Cause these come apart. They come loose. And the dog can end up stuck, trapped, just like this one. Right here. No one knows who the dog belongs to. These people here actually called. Very good, very helpful. They have a wonderful dog. It's a three-legged dog. I've been out here before. And their dog's super sweet and friendly. And when they come out and find another dog that's highly aggressive, as you can see in the video, it seemed aggressive, but they're just scared, stuck, frustrated, and mad. Get them freed up, as long as you know what you're doing. Free them up, take care of them. But, hey, at least he's safe now.